Howdy! This video will help your fence pickets last longer and still keep your wife's dog in the yard. Hey, I appreciate you clicking on this short little video. That's redundant. A huge factor of your fence pickets rotting at the bottom is them sitting on the ground or grass staying in contact with the boards. So the easy solution is to raise the pickets enough to remedy that. But now there's a gap that could possibly have a big enough opening for a little terrier mix wanting to explore escape. My solution was to attach a piece of flat steel between the ground and pickets. I used my rarely used hole punch to make holes. A drill would also work. I installed the metal to the post with galvanized lags. I used galvanized bolts and hardware to splice the bars together. A bonus is I can trim the fence line without damaging the boards. The boards are not in the dirt or grass, helping them last longer. And bingo hasn't escaped yet. I hope it works. Thanks for watching.